All right, we are out of here. We are leaving. We are on our way to Houston, Texas, to the Houston WHAP, one of the largest three-wheel events in the country. Can't wait to see you there. Can't wait to see everybody there. Can-Am's going to be there. Whole bunch of people are going to be there. And as soon as my cab pulls up and I get on that flight, I'll be there. See you at the WHAP. All right, so we're here. It looks like a regular. Look at Pre-Check. Yeah. It looks like a regular 1 hour wait, pretty standard. Got some nice bikes there, nice little reflective wraps. My man put the boot on, making sure it's gonna be here later. Got another bike here, nice and simple, got the music popping. Right here it says the world is yours. Be a lot to go through. There's got to be over 1,000 bikes here. This is just at one hotel. I'm not even. This old school RSS, the sick paint, the world famous Lando Bat bike. using car care cleaner on your three-wheel vehicle. That's why I spent the last year developing a product specifically for your three-wheel vehicle. Whether you have a Can-Am Ryker, Spider, Slingshot, whatever you're riding. Ceramic infused waterless car wash spray. So what you do is, it works for shiny plastic, matte plastic, or even the guys who like to have those nice vinyl wraps on their bikes. It's a protectant, UV protected, shine, waterless wash. This way you could just clean off your dirt, wipe it off, put the shine back in. Also, I also added a tire shine, no sling. You're just gonna spray it on, give it a few seconds, and when you ride off, it won't be splashing all over the place. So, if you want to get this kit, which includes your speed coat, tire shine, and a microfiber cloth, hit the link below. I prescribe this shine. Less cleaning, more riding. Click the link below. Order yours today. It is now the evening of day one of the official Houston WHAP, and I showed you everything that's going on. Now we're going to Forget Me Not. I think they changed the name, but we're going to jump in Uber and head over there. Unfortunately, I won't be riding at this WHAP like I said before, but I'm still going to enjoy all the festivities.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, yeah. Baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me, ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious, I'ma go cause something, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame.